morning, beautiful people. We are here on a gloomy Monday morning. We are getting ready or not getting ready for this storm that's coming. Initially, it said that Hurricane Milton would arrive Tuesday, and then they said Wednesday, but now I'm looking at forecast and it's saying Thursday. You know, it's strange because, like, since I moved to Florida, I'm used to hurricanes. Dan, same thing, used to hurricanes. Like South Florida, we're used to hurricanes, but there's a lot of people that don't know much about hurricanes, don't know how to prepare, don't know what to do. Over the last, 3 decades in Florida, always have hurricane supplies. I think that's like the biggest one. You know, hurricanes are a part of Florida, but due to climate change, unfortunately, we have larger storms, more intense storms. So that's like where the fear comes in, the new unlocked fear comes in. But it's the same old, you know, especially in Florida. Tropical storms can cause a lot of damage as well. It doesn't have to be a hurricane. It could be flooding that can kind of take you out. So always be prepared for Florida weather.
Northern sections of the Yucatan Peninsula, worse weather just to the north of Canada.
Milton is a Category 5 officially. All right, hurricane food prep. Got some chili that can eat with the spaghetti, or chili that can eat with the rice. Some ground beef and a little bit of lamb. To do either rice bowls, I have lettuce and tomatoes, or I can make burritos with this combination. And I have some leftover veg. This is bok choy and mushrooms, and then some beef meatballs.